Hello, my name is Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a video tutorial to accompany the Sockmatician's double knitted brioche ebook. This particular video shows you how to work the Blip-Free left-leaning crossed double decrease with setup in double knitted brioche. As you can see, I've already worked the setup, the double decrease setup in the previous row, and I've come back to the point where I've got 3 adjacent knit stitches on the left needle sitting under 1 shared yarn over, followed by 3 adjacent purl stitches sitting under their shared yarn over as well. Starting then with my knit coloured yarn at the back of the work, having gone over the top of the right needle, and my pearl coloured yarn at the front of the work, here's how it's done. I slip 1 stitch with the shared yarn over, knitwise, from the left needle to the right. Then I'm going to slip just the shared yarn over without any stitches, also knitwise, back from the right needle to the left. Then I slip 2 stitches with their shared yarn over together and knitwise from the left needle to the right. That looks like that. Then I slip these 3 stitches with the shared yarn over together and purlwise back from the right needle to the left. And then using my knit coloured yarn, I knit these 3 stitches with the shared yarn over together through the back legs, like so. Then I'm going to work my yarn over manoeuvre, taking the pearl coloured yarn to the back of the work, going over the top of the right needle and coming to the front again between the 2 needles, and following it with my knit coloured yarn coming between the 2 needles as well. Then I'm going to slip 1 stitch with the shared yarn over, knitwise, from the left needle to the right. Then I'm going to slip the shared yarn over on its own, also knitwise, back from the right needle to the left. I'm going to do the same with the second purl stitch, slipping it together with the shared yarn over knitwise from the left needle to the right, then slipping the yarn over on its own knitwise from the right needle to the left. And I'm going to slip the final stitch also with the shared yarn over, also knitwise from the left needle to the right. I'm going to slip these 3 stitches with the shared yarn over together and purlwise back from the right needle to the left, like so. And I'm going to slip 1 stitch with the shared yarn over purlwise through the back leg from the left needle to the right. That means going in behind, going in underneath the shared yarn over and into that first stitch, and slipping the 2 across from the left needle to the right, like so. Then I'm going to slip the shared yarn over on its own, also purlwise through the back leg, which means coming in from behind like that and slipping it across like so. Then I'm going to slip the last 2 stitches with the shared yarn over together and purlwise through the back legs, which means going in all the way around the back and slipping it in that direction there, slipping them across there to the right needle. Then I'm going to slip all of the stitches, all 3, together with the shared yarn over, purlwise this time, from the right needle to the left. And then I can, using my pearl coloured yarn, purl all 3 of those stitches with the shared yarn over together through the front legs this time, and finish it all off by taking my knit coloured yarn to the back of the work, going over the top of the right needle. Looking at what we've done then, we've got a lovely double decrease there. It's blip free, of course, because there were no yarn overs to get in the way. They were all sitting under 1 shared yarn over, and it leans over to the left with the centre stitch at the back. And then on the other side, again, the centre stitch sits at the back, and they all come together with the stitches leaning over to the right hand side. And that's all you need to know about how to work the blip-free left-leaning crossed double decrease with setup in double knitted brioche. Zip!